Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage We Can See Your Story on Facebook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Facebook is among the mostly widely used social media platform. It has over billions of users over the world. By signing up on Facebook, you can communicate with people anywhere on the globe. It allows you to share pictures, videos, and more with friends. You can also keep your Facebook friend updated by posting your story from both Android or iOS devices. So how to do it? If you want to manage, you can see to control, you can see your story on the Facebook. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. Now you can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings. You can scroll down on the audience and visibility section. There is an option stories. You can just tap on that. Here's you can manage. You can see your stories. Who can see your story? You can tap on here. By default, it's set to public. If you want to change it, you can tap on that. Here's you can manage. If you only want your friends on Facebook who can see your story, you can choose on friends. Or maybe you want to hide it from specific people, you can choose friend accept and choose the specific account that you want to hide your story from. Or you can also custom. After that, you can just tap on save. So change you will make apply to any photos and video currently in your story in addition to those you add from now on. You can tap on save. So now your story only can see by your friends on Facebook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage We Can See Your Story on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!